Alright, here is a video of our Forest River Wildwood Extra Light 261 BHXL. Here is the right hand side. I got a bunch of cars in the driveway, so a little tough to get around sometimes, but a lot of windows. This is where all your hookups are on this end. Power tongue jack. Newer battery, I replaced it last year. I don't remember exactly the date, but it's not that old. Here's this side. Under awning lights, there's some LED lights that light up, and then the speakers on the outside also light up at night. It's kind of cool. It's got a plug-in if you had a solar panel. Just plug it in right on the side. It will trickle charge your battery for you. Power stabilizing jacks, so you don't have to crank them with your hand or with a drill. It's just a push of a button. Super simple, super convenient. It's really nice. Always worked really, really well. And that's for the front and the back. Awning. It's white underneath. The wind just blew it up, but there is a little flip down right here too. It flips down. So again, it's a 261 BHXL. Oh, let me show you the under storage. So here's the under storage. It does come with this weight distribution hitch and setup. So, queen size bed. Comes with two mattresses. It comes with the original mattress that came with the camper, and then actually another standard mattress that came with our new camper. It's never even been slept on. Storage on each side of the bed. Rack above the bed. So underneath the bed are these bins. 4 of them fit here. That's where we kept our clothes. And then you also have access to the under storage right here. Curtain that pulls across to give privacy. Turn some lights on here. Okay, so jackknife sofa, like a storage underneath. You can kick shoes at. That's where we would always store our shoes. But here's looking down the camper from the bed. Kitchen, a lot of cabinets, bathroom, bunk beds. The dinette, you can turn that into a bed also. Gas oven, sink, 12-volt fridge, which is one of the best upgrades. We just love this 12-volt fridge. So much room in here. You don't have to wait 2 days for it to cool down. When you stop, it just runs off your 12-volt battery. Bunk beds, lots of storage underneath. Bathroom, skylight in the shower, but it is a shower with a tub. Sink is on the outside of the bathroom. Underneath the dinette, storage with these tubbies that fit perfectly in there. TV comes with the camper, and then more storage up here. I don't know if you can hear it, but I've got the air running. The air is nice and quiet. It's not one of the big loud shakers. But it's 79 in here. It's very comfortable. So there you have it. Let me know if you have any other questions.